Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel where I talk everything about virtual assistant and how to succeed as a skilled VA. My name is Isabella. I'm a virtual assistant with over 5 years of experience supporting business owners, C-executives and entrepreneurs. Today I'm going to explain what a virtual assistant is, what they do and how you can become one yourself. Okay, what is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant or a VA is someone who provides professional services to business owners or individuals remotely. That means they don't have to work in your office, but they can work from anywhere provided they have internet services. And they should have good knowledge about some tools that they can use to work remotely. Tools like emails, Google Workspace, project management tools like Trello, Asana, and even CRM. What does a virtual assistant do? Virtual assistants can do a wide variety of tasks such as administrative support like managing your calendars, responding to your emails, organizing files, while others work in customer support where they handle client inquiries through phone, chats, or emails. And also we also have VAs who specialize in social media management like creating posts, scheduling them, and also responding to your customers inquiries or to your followers. We also have technical VAs who could help you update your website. They can also help you with lead generation. They can help you with sales as well. They can also help you with managing CRM, and also some of them they still have skills such as skills that they can use for basic bookkeeping. Now, how to get started as a virtual assistant? You've been dreaming of how can I become a VA? Now, there are things you need to know and you need to ask yourself if you have the skills. So questions like if you're good at organization, are you proactive, do you have research skills, deep research skills, or are you resourceful so you can help clients to do research? And also, do you have a good time management skill? Know how to manage time? And also, can you multitask? Because as a virtual assistant, you will be given so much tasks, plenty tasks. You're expected to carry out plenty tasks. So you need to ask yourself if you can take it or if you can do it. Also, are you a fast learner? Because you need to learn tools. You need to learn so many tools so that you can be able to match up your client's need. You can be able to meet their needs. Maybe you need to learn tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, Trello, which are project management tools, Asana, Monday.com. You also need to learn CRMs like HubSpot. But not to worry, you can still learn the skills. Even if you don't have them, you can still learn it, provided you have the zeal, to succeed as a skilled virtual assistant. So to wrap this up, a virtual assistant is someone who helps you to work online. You get it? Now, basically, they are your right hand helper online. They save businesses ample hours of time, and also they save businesses money because time is money. Yeah. And also they give professionals all around the world opportunities, to work flexibly from home, which means you can be your own boss. You have the right to choose the number of clients you want to work for, the hours you want to work. So you have rights over your job. No one dictates the number of time, the hours that you work, but you personally can do that yourself. That is one good thing about being a virtual assistant. Now, if you find this video helpful and you want me to create more videos on this, especially about top skills that you need to know as a VA, skills you need to have as a virtual assistant, the best tools to use as a virtual assistant, and how you can find your first client, how you can land your first client. If you want me to do videos on that, please and kindly Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and see you next time on my channel. Bye. I love you.